Hi, I'm Mio. Nice to see you again. How are you going? No matter how difficult it is, you will be able to do it if you work hard. Let's challenge new things. Today I want to show you how to set up and use reference layers. If you can use the reference layer well, you will be able to draw better. Let's learn together. A layer is like a transparent sheet. At the bottom is a piece of paper, and above that is the background, and at the top is a line drawing. Underneath the line drawing, place a layer for coloring. Make the top line drawing layer the reference layer. I painted a blue sky with white clouds as the background. On the leftmost edge of each layer there is an eye symbol. Click on it to make the screen invisible. Click on it again to make it appear again. Draw line drawing on the top layer. Bring back the background pictures so that you can see the 4 layers. Now let's paint on the coloring layer. If you paint inside the line with the red G pen, the color will overflow. Let's try again with the green G pen. The color will overflow. If you try Tool, Fill with a paint can, the green color will spread all over. The same thing happens if tried outside the lines. This is why you need the function of the reference layer. Let's select the layer you want to set up as a reference layer. Click the menu button, looks like a lighthouse symbol, and set it up with Set as Reference Layer. The reference layer is a layer setting that allows you to fill or draw on a layer by referring only to the reference layer from another layer. Let's try painting with the G pen. See, this time it works. Fill with a can of paint also worked well. The lines form a boundary and the areas are clearly painted in different colors. There are 3 ways to set a reference layer. Number 1. Select the layer you want to set. Click the lighthouse symbol on the layer palette and see Set as Reference Layer. This is the easiest way. Number 2. Layer Setting. Set as Reference Layer. Number 3. Right-click on the thumbnail in the layer palette and choose Set as Reference Layer. When the lighthouse symbol appears in the square on the left side of the thumbnail, it is set. You can turn this feature on and off. Select the coloring layer. Select Tool, Fill, Paint Can. Sub-tool, Refer Other Layers. Refer Multiple, Reference Layer. Lighthouse Mark. You can turn it on and off. If you click in the enclosed area, yes, you did it. Area scaling can be moved between +1 and -1. If you set it to -1, a white space will be left on the screen. If you set it at +1, the space will be completely filled. No matter how many times you repeat this process, the colors will fit neatly into the space. Isn't this fun? The reference layer is used in combination with the layer settings and the tool settings. When you erase with the eraser, only the colors of the coloring layer disappear, revealing the background. Let's try painting with a G pen. You can paint nicely without overflowing into the enclosed area of the line drawing. Let's check out the subtool of the G pen. Open the subtool detail palette at the wrench symbol. Anti-overflow. Do not cross lines of reference layer. You can turn it on and off. If you paint with the G pen while it is off, the lines will overflow. If you turn it on again and paint with the G pen, you will get a clean paint job. Let's check it again. Anti-overflow. Do not cross lines of reference layer. Let's use the airbrush. Choose purple from the color wheel. File, Preferences, Cursor. Brush type cursor. Brush shape and cross. OK. Open the subtool detail palette of the wrench symbol. Anti-overflow. Do not cross lines of reference layer. On. Let's paint inside the enclosed area of the line drawing. As long as the center of the circle stays within the line, it won't overflow. Paint in different colors one after another. Sometimes it's easier to paint with an airbrush in larger diameter. Turn off the eye symbol to the left of the thumbnail in the layers palette to make the layer invisible. If you delete the background, only the line drawing and color will remain. If you delete the color layer, only the line drawing will remain on top of the background. We have now explained how to set up and use the reference layer. I'm very happy when it works. I'd like to keep challenging myself with new things. I would be happy if I can be of any help to beginners of Clip Studio Paint. This is Mio Chan. See you soon.